근데 이거 할리피뇨 맵지?
근데 괜찮아.
나도 만들어 먹어야지.
먹어보자.
고기를 너무 많이 넣으면 안 돼. 오케이. 그리고 나는 아스파라거스 2개 넣고, 이거는 어니언, 할라페뇨 하나 넣고.
이거 안 넣어? 내가 만든 건데.
피코데카 맛있어.
응.
그
나 핫소스 대신에 그게 더 맛있는 거.
얘는 근데 안 맵잖아.
응?
스파이시가 레스잖아.
이 피클 고추가 매워.
그리고
그치, 명태야?
소스.
이제 명태 무슨 투 피클을 넣었어.
뭐?
아까.
뭐?
할라페뇨?
응, 할라페뇨.
요거.
너무 매워.
다 묻었다.
응? 명태 치킨 좀 그쪽에다 놔줄까?
오케이.
파는 애들은 2장씩 올리잖아. 찢어질까봐 그런 거야, 걔네들. 이제 뭐가 돼? 치킨 뭐.
나 지금 다 맛있는데.
안 맛있어?
배고파.
나무는 집에 갖고 와서 먹었다. 우리를 이렇게 많이 넣어서 먹는 거. 다 그거 어딨어?
고기가 제일 맛있다.
물 안 타도 되겠네. 엄청 노하게 나온다, 이거.
이게 더 이쁘다.
Okay, but like,
But that's my issue, right?
Okay.
it was never a choice.
I may stop licking it.
Just leave
Weirdo.
her alone.
It's been good.
They're fine. Thank you.
I'm just worried about the licking. You know me. You know I've always been worried about licking. It's such a pet peeve of mine. I do. It's something of mine.
그래서 많이 트레이닝했다, 저기서.
I know.
Sure, yeah.
You want some bacon?
I do want some bacon.
Bacon?
Like,
Bacon? Like.
그 저기 팬케이크에다가 과일하고 여기 생크림 있거든. 오,
생크림.
Sand
요거 얹어서 넣어봐요.
We like sand cream. Sand cream good. I should have been like this, huh? When I hold the fork, but I don't. I keep it.
But I don't.
I thought people did that.
Bacon.
You know, I always thought it was interesting. I was like, why are people holding their forks on their left hand? I was like, isn't...
Makes sense.
No, it doesn't. You use the fork. You use the fork anyway with your right hand to begin with. So why can't you practice using the knife under? I'm kidding. I'm like literally just trash talking. oh, my eggs. It's probably him.
있죠?
Probably like.
커피가 진하면 물을 좀 더 끓일까?
Up. They saw.
Clementine.
You're good.
You're fine. Nobody's gonna take you.
Did you hear her last one? Whoa. Whoa.
나는 물 따를게 엄마.
You have such funny dogs. You know? Where'd you get them?
난 풀로 따라.
I didn't.
I didn't.
아직 안
I'm dying.
잘까?
Oh, these scrambled eggs look so
찜에서 물 좀
good.
타려고.
아니.
I don't know why, but recently I've been obsessed with scrambled eggs. I don't know why, but I think
had scrambled eggs.
I like scrambled eggs because it looks messy. And you know I love messy looking food. I love it. It's my favorite. Appa, you want scrambled eggs? It's right here.
How much 찍어야 돼? 나 가야 될 것 같은데. Separate.
I'm done.
I'm sorry. I really can't.
Just put the meats on a separate one. And then,
엄마 어떻게 잘라줘? 또 되지.
그렇게. 내가 자를게.
나도 똑같아 만들어. 아니, maybe?
This way? More?
Maybe more? I don't know. I'll take two. Or actually, no, I'll take this.
햄은
햄은 한 뭔지 먹어야지. Yeah, that's a good amount. Oh, perfect. Nice.
크림 더
Thank you.
뿌려면 줄게.
Ooh, this is good.
I like the pancake. Pancake 맛있다 엄마.
breakfast 맨날 이렇게 먹는 거야?
맨날.
와우.
싫어.
시럽 있어? I've been lied to.
나 간다.
Yeah, go. Just go.
시럽 묻혀갖고 가.
Oh yeah, that's good.
아니면 자기 저 안에
Hang on.
저기 있거든?
Have to just leave it. I know it's so cute. I love it. Honestly, you can trash talk Clemmy. Clemmy knows better. You know why I said that he looks like that little bear that said this braid is too small?
케이크 남았어.
아니야, 한번 누나 먹을게.
I wanted to go wash my hands.
Coming time.